Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Anyone Can Code. Today in this tutorial, what we are going to see that how to align your text on your console. Suppose if you want to print your console in middle, on the right hand side, or at any position you want, any specific position you want to print your output. So what we are going to do in C++, in code block C++, a predefined function is not there to just print your to printing on the right hand side or on the left hand side. On the left hand side generally it's going to like print it, but suppose if I want to print on the middle or at a specific position I want to print. So in Turbo C++ many people told me that like we are using go to xy function, but what to do when we are using in code block C++. So today I am going to show you how you can print and align your text anywhere at specific position you want to do. So let's get started. So first of all I am going to show you like what's the problem with that when you print simply. Suppose this is hello world, that's the one of the basic example, right? So first of all I am going to run this, then let's see what's the output of this function. As you can see here, uh, the hello world is printed here, right? Now what about if I want to print it here at the middle on the right hand corner? Then what we are going to do, it's not printed anywhere. So using slash and slash t you can do that, but you are so here what we are going to do, we are just going to define a go to xy function for that. So first of all, just use set console. In what manner I am writing is sensitive. So what we are going to do, set console cursor position. It's already included in a Windows library. That's why I have included this library windows.h. And here what I am going to do, set console cursor position. I want to set the cursor position on the console. On the console side, according to me only, I am going to set the position. Now here you can see as an argument handle value is going to pass. Now how you can pass the handle value in this? So use get standard handle. This is one of the predefined function. And what type of this is one of the predefined function, get standard handle. Now in this standard handle, which kind of handle value this function is going to return to set console cursor position function, right? So here I am going to use standard output handle. This kind of value I want to return to get standard handle. So first argument is completed, this handle value is going to pass here. Then I want to pass a chord value, right? So anything kind of chord value you can select, like a, right? Wait, a, this is thing. Now this a is chord value. Now you need to define a chord value, right? So what you are going to do, chord, right? Chord is already a structure. It's a this one is a structure, and I am just making a reference to this structure. Now there are two kind of variables available here, x and y, which is predefined, like it's going to return the position on the console. So here I am writing a dot x equals to whatever value you want to write, like I'm going to write 37. And a dot y means on the y-axis and x-axis, those are related with the axis, right? Again 37 I am going to write now. So this program is just completed. Now rather than using first of all I am going to show the output of this function, like how it's going to execute. As you can see, according to defined, like I have just defined, on the x-axis its value is 37, on the y-axis its value is 37. So you can consider it as a horizontal and vertical value. So it is printed here, right? So according to your position. Now again we will see, suppose I have just defined here 10, right? Suppose again I am just defined 10 here. Now what's the output we are going to see? So on the 10th position you can see this value is returning. like your word is going on the console, you are displaying a 10th position, 10th from the x-axis and 10th from the y-axis. Now what about if I want to use again and again this kind of thing? Now I am not going to write it again and again. Suppose when you are doing your projects, in your projects, that's the main important thing. Suppose if you want to display it in a proper format, so in that case what I am going to do, I am just making a void, go to xy, any name you can apply, like any name you can give to this function, because we are just making a function, so it depends upon us only that what kind of value we what kind of name we want to give to the function. Now this much code I am just going to copy here, and two types of value I am going to pass. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pass two arguments here, uh, x and y, and I'm just going to call this function using any kind of value. Suppose I'm just writing go to xy and 30. Now as I am passing this 20 and 30 here, so my a dot x, that is predefined structured variable, must be equals to x, and here a dot y must be equals to y. So in that case only it is going to print. So let's see what's the output we are going to see. What I have made a function, any kind of function, you are just see here, you are just getting a output of 20 and 30 line, right? This is just a simple program, just making this kind of function. You can use it anywhere else as you want. This is one of the simple thing that you can align your text. Suppose if I want to again I want to print it at here, rather than using 1010, right? Now here 5 5, and rather than using world, what I'm going to print, see out hello world. So now this compiles. So here you can see different kinds of values you can pass. Hello, before hello I have just go to xy at 5th position on x-axis, 5th position of y-axis. Any value you can pass here, but just remember that at 10th position x and 10th position y world is displaying. So that's what one of the simple program, and I'm soon going to upload my project video of sem 2 also. So just wait and keep watching for my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.